Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to cover the overview of contracts bulk actions in Go High Level. So let's introduce you the problem what they solve. So suppose you are given 1000 leads and you're told that you have to add them into a workflow, or you have to add them tags, or say you want to delete all those leads, thousands of leads. What we do is we don't add them in workflow or delete them one by one. We actually use the so we are in our contacts tab. What we are going to do is we have to perform bulk actions on certain contacts. First of all, I will just select the contacts. Let's search the tag name appointment booked. I'll just select all the tag contacts, and what I can do either delete or export those contacts. I can trigger an automation, which means I'm adding these contacts into some workflow that I've created. And one thing is important, that only those workflows are shown in here which are actually published. If something is not published, which is in drafted state, it will not show in these drop down menu. Okay, let's perform the bulk action. So adding the contacts to the workflow. I'll just select the workflow and then send them all at once. Add automation. So what we did is that we selected all the contacts and added them into a workflow in bulk. We can also delete these contacts if I want to. So these all are the bulk actions which are shown in this tab. I just did the adding contacts to the workflow right now, and the status is completed. So that's all from my side. If you like the video, please like the video and hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.